Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To make maple syrup, the excess water is boiled from the sap. It takes 40 parts maple sap to make 1 part maple syrup, 10-gallon sap to make 1 quart syrup. Because of the large quantity of steam generated by boiling sap, it is not recommended to boil indoors.
Let's help you make your mark.
Did you make this recipe? Make a 1-to-1 ratio of cornstarch and water. Put the syrup in a saucepan over low heat. Pour 1 U.S. tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of the mixture into the syrup and stir it. Add more cornstarch mixture if you need to 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, at a time. Take your syrup off the heat and serve it while it is warm.
Let's help you make your mark.
In summary, honey and maple syrup are healthier options as sweeteners instead of refined sugars. Honey contains more carbohydrates, protein and calories, while maple syrup contains more fats. Honey has higher levels of iron, copper and phosphorus, but maple syrup contains more calcium, potassium, magnesium and zinc. 29 November 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.